Hey, it's Will and Laura. We're out here in Gotham Bay, the preserve at Gotham Bay. We have a 2.31 acre lot here that's for sale. And I just wanted to show you some of the views from the lot here. They're just phenomenal. And this is the, there's an approach. It's covered by snow right now. So you can see some of the surrounding area. There's a home up there. Another home across the street here. Really nice paved roads are taken care of. Some trees on this side for privacy for the next lot over. And then, like I said, there's an approach coming into the property and a little flat pad right here. And so a home that's built would come in and it would have to be partially on the flat part and partially out on the slope, so it'd have a foundation that would accommodate. But then there's a road that goes through the middle of the property to access, for community access, to the well house down below. Let's see if I could show you that. I think you could see that. But that road, show you here. That is right there. And the convenient thing about that road, the nice thing about it is it'll take you down to a lower section of the property where you can actually build a shop and access from the road. So that's the deal. And yeah, incredible lake views. They're just phenomenal. The whole way up here, it was plowed. We just had snow a couple days ago and everything was just really good to drive on. Just with our four-wheel drive SUV with studs. And then there is the there's the dock down below and community beach area down at the lake. So we'll take you down there, show you that, and there you go. Gotham Bay, the preserve at Gotham Bay, listed at $285. So we're here at the beach area, the water access, and the boat slips for members of Gotham Bay, the preserve at Gotham Bay. Wanted to show you what it looks like. You can see the walkway coming down from the road, little walkway out to the boat slips out there. Now the water is down quite a ways. They let the lake down to be able to handle all the runoff. So in the summertime, the lake is quite a bit higher all throughout the summertime. But these are the boat slips in the community area. You can see some of the signs over there for the preserve, and then Gotham Bay Road, where our vehicle is, just goes right up there to the lot. Okay, so incredible. I mean, you just want to stand here and take selfies. Beautiful. Hey, so one more thing. So this is the whole parking area, park for Gotham Bay residents, and there's a little walkway that goes across the street to get down to the water. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so you access that just a little bit up the road here and then park and come across to the dock. This is the way.